When you find something interesting at the beach, you want to shoot it from as many different angles as possible. Here, this amazing looking sculpture looking out to sea is changing with time, becoming weathered and developing new patterns and textures. That means that any good shot of it is going to have to include not only those patterns and textures, but also wider images that set it in its place. This fascinating sculpture has changed over time, becoming weathered and textured as it stands here looking out to sea. That means any great picture of it is going to be a close-up, allowing us to make the most of its patterns. Here, we're going to get rid of the rule of thirds and go instead for essential composition. There's plenty of symmetry in our subjects anyway, so that allows us to make the most of that. The other benefit to bringing our subject nice and close to our camera phone is that there's lots of depth of field fall off into the background. We can also obscure annoying background elements with our subject. When shooting wide-angle frames, the first composition that you see is rarely the best one. Here, when I frame up at my normal height, my horizon runs straight through the neck of my subject. By crouching down, what we're able to do is pull the horizon down to about halfway across the frame. And because there's such a big difference in brightness between background and foreground, we get absolutely loads of separation and a much more impactful shot.